you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on those post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, so these are the top 5 mods for your Mustang. Alright, so the very first mod I done to it was definitely my window tint. I currently have 5% all around. I did tint my front windshield as well, as you guys can see. Front windshield is 15%. So yeah, that's always my first mod with every car I get, window tint, because I don't want to be driving around in like a fishbowl. That's just a no-no. Alright, and the second mod I did do to it was get rid of the amber delete. Before this, it was like an orange little amber light, which I found very like disgusting, and this amber delete made it look so much more aggressive. Alright, and the third mod I did end up doing was definitely changing up the wheels. These are AMR wheels. I'll try to put in a picture right now of how it looked before these wheels. Alright, so yeah, that's how those wheels looked before, and personally I think these wheels look so much better than the stock ones for sure, and definitely changed the look of the car. Alright, so going on to the fourth mod, I did get this Gt500 Spoiler from eBay. So this just made the car look so much better as well, because before it had like the really like, how do you call it, the small little wing that goes like right here. I almost forgot to mention, but this was actually my first mod ever on the car. I did paint my calipers yellow, as you guys can see. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Which made the car look so much better, like while you're cruising or like just parked in general. It stands out so much. So yeah, I did paint my calipers yellow. I will be posting a video on how to paint them pretty soon, so stay tuned for that as well.